Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are making oven baked barbecue ribs. This recipe with literally any dried rub and apple butter barbecue sauce combo is so addictive. You won't stop at one. Finger licking, tasty ribs right here. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Start by removing the membrane. I like to remove excess fat, guys. You can leave it on. And the ingredients for the rub here, I have brown sugar, garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, and black pepper. We're gonna mix everything together. Add salt and mix thoroughly. Next, we are going to generously apply coating of dry rub to all sides of rib bread. Just like so, guys. Fold foil around the rib rack to create a tight seal. Then place another foil on top and seal it tight. So the ribs are ready to be baked. I have my oven preheated to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna pop this in the oven and bake for 2 hours 30 minutes. Now we're gonna make the sauce. In a small medium pan, add apple butter along with barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. Then we're gonna add apple cider vinegar, and also to give our ribs a kick, I'm gonna add red pepper flakes. Guys, this sauce is a bomb. You need to try this recipe. Give it a good mix and let it simmer for 2 minutes. The ribs are out of the oven. Now we're gonna go ahead and slather them with our apple butter barbecue sauce. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Next, we're gonna pop this under the broiler for 2 minutes. The ribs are done. There you have it, guys. Oven baked barbecue ribs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends and your family. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.